Good day to you, everyone, and welcome to Cinema Studio. Today, we want to check through this quadratic equation. This quadratic equation looks like we are going to be using sum and product because we have alpha and beta, and in this structure, we are going to be using sum and product to solve this work. The question says the roots of the equation 2x squared plus kx plus 5 is equal to 0, which are alpha and beta, that is the roots. Where k is a constant, you are solving for the values of k. If this, the square of alpha and the square of beta is equal to -1. Don't forget we have to find the values of k, which means we are going to be getting two answers. And how do we go by this work? First of all, let me try and demarcate the board so that we can manage what we have here. So to solve this, I need to find the value of alpha plus beta, that is the sum of product, and alpha beta, that is the product, alpha beta, that is the product, sum of the roots and product of the roots. And how do I get that? From here I have, if I have 2x squared plus kx plus 5 is equal to 0, I will divide through by 2 by 2. So I'll have x squared plus k over 2x plus 5 over 2 equals 0. So my alpha will definitely be negative of the coefficient of x here. That is going to be minus k over 2, the negative of the coefficient of x. And my alpha beta is going to be 5 over 2, that is the value there. So once we have been able to get this, then we can go back to this. Our alpha square plus beta square, which is equal to 1 now. Looking at this, alpha square plus beta square is the same thing as alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta. This and this are the same. If you open this bracket, you will get this one. You will get this one back. If you open this bracket, because it's going to be alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square, then 2 alpha beta, then minus 2 alpha beta will cancel, then we have this one back. So if that is the case, I can substitute these two. Alpha plus beta here is going to be minus k over 2, then we power it, then plus minus 2 into alpha beta, that is 5 over 2. From here, 2 cancel 2. Don't forget the answer is equal to -1. So if I'm to power this, I will have k squared over 4, then minus 5. Sorry, k squared now. Minus 5 is equal to -1. Then I will send this one to this side. Let me quickly fix that here. I will send this one to this side. I will have k squared over 4 will be, this one will turn to positive. So I will have -6, -1 plus 5. That will be positive 4. Let me quickly rub this part so that you can find somewhere to put it. Let's see if we can easily walk around these points. So once we have this one, we have our k raised power 2 is equal to, this one is 4, then if you cross multiply, you have 16. So therefore, your k will be equal to plus or minus 4. That is the answer. So if that is what we have, then we have two answers for k to be either +4 or -4. So please, you can go through this work. I actually try to manage the board. There is a part here. There is this part here that helped us to get this one. That is the coefficient of x here. The negative coefficient of x here is k over 2. If you negate it will give you alpha plus beta, and 5 over 2, the same way it is your product of the root, that is alpha beta. So that was what we used in substituting this one, then we have our answer. I hope this is actually useful, and if it is, you can drop your comments, then and as well subscribe, press the notification button, then you can be notified anytime we have more videos. Thank you.